Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your grades with Chegg, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on Chegg's website. Visit Chegg's homepage and click on the sign up button. Fill in your personal information, including your email address and password. Verify your email to activate your account and gain access to Chegg's features. Explore the various resources available, such as textbook solutions and expert Q&A. Use the search bar to find your specific textbook or subject. Select your textbook and review the solutions provided for each problem. Take detailed notes while reviewing the solutions for better retention. If you encounter any difficulties, utilize the expert Q&A feature to ask a question. Post your question and wait for verified experts to respond with guidance. Make sure to read through the answers thoroughly to understand the concepts clearly. Additionally, consider using Chegg Study to access step-by-step textbook solutions for a wider range of subjects. Set aside dedicated time each week to review the material using Chegg's resources. Participate in study groups online or with peers to discuss challenging topics. Use Chegg's flashcards or practice tests to reinforce what you have learned. Track your progress and make adjustments to your study habits as needed. Always manage your time effectively to balance your studies with other commitments. Stay consistent in using Chegg to maintain and improve your academic performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.